So then we're gonna just spread them out, fluff them. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Xoxo back once again with another video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my hair to look like this. It's just passion twist, nothing crazy. But the first time I did my passion twist, y'all, I got a lot of compliments and I was like, all right, I guess I'll record the next time I do it. So just stay tuned if y'all want to see me do my hair and how I got it like this. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do my hair, make sure you guys stay tuned. Do not click off this video, and also make sure to follow all my socials. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna shut the hell up now because I'm just rumbling and I'm just talking. I have nothing else to say, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so my hair is freshly washed and I just blowed it out. I'm about to take this braid out now. The first time I did this hairstyle, I did not record it just because I didn't know how it was gonna come out. I never really worked with my own hair and the passion twist hair before, so I was kind of hesitant to record, so I didn't. But now that I know that I kind of, you know, have the swing of things, I decided that I'm gonna record it for you guys and show you guys how I do it. I'm not gonna record the whole entire time of me doing my passion twist. I will, you know, show y'all like when I get closer to the side or to the top of my head. We're just gonna transform on ya. I'm gonna transform ya into something else because girl, I did get my hair done about 2 weeks ago. Jessica, she's my hairstylist, she was in town, so I booked an appointment with her. And yeah, so she gave me a nice trim. I did a protein treatment, all that kind of stuff. I got me a nice hair steamer. So we're really working on our hair. And yeah, like I said, protective hairstyles is #1 to anything that you're trying to do with repairing your hair. Now I'm very struggled because I have to part my own hair. The last time my sister parted my hair for me, I look crazy.
Child. Anyway, so
my closet one and the one you gave me, but I feel like I think this is okay. I think this might be okay.
Oh yeah, then use the one I gave you with your closet mirror and put it on a chair. You can look at it just like
oh. Sis, thank you for the motivation. Not kidding. Because I just needed to know that this was possible, that somebody else did it. Alright, so I just have my camera propped up in my corner, y'all, because it is so late at night and I am so tired. But I just finished parting all of my hair. I put my bonnet on because I had to take a quick little break to lay down for a minute because I just feel like this took me forever to part my own hair. So I put my bonnet on and then put on my parts in a puff. And then I wrapped some black paper around my edges, and then I just put this edge wrap on just so that way my edges can stay nice and laid. By the time, you know, my hair is natural. By the time everything is done, hopefully my edges will still be laid. Don't mind this pimple, y'all. Mother Nature just came to visit me. If you know, you know. But yeah, so I parted all my hair. Okay, but I did have a little setup in my room with 2 mirrors to be able to see the back of my head as I was parting, and that really helped me a lot. I did notice that they were not perfect, but it was just very, very difficult to make them perfect on my own when I can't see it and I'm going like the opposite directions based off the mirror. But I'm not tripping because as long as the passion twist go in neat, my parts are neat, even if they're a little crooked, I'm sure it'll all be fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the passion twist in my hair. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I have gotten all of them done. I'm gonna pull it out and then bring it to the front to show y'all. But I have got all of them done except for the front row and maybe a few behind it. All my parts are in. So this is what they look like so far. They're passion twists. They kind of remind me of like my locks. I'm not even gonna lie. But they're just like a lot softer and they're nice and plump and thick like I like it. I use this jam, Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. I got it from my local hair store. You can get it from a local hair store, anyone, it really don't matter. But you want to use some of this because it helps with combining your hair with the passion twist hair, along with, you know, making it just stay in everything else, and it helps with your fingers like as you're twisting. It just, you definitely want to use some jam. This was $13.99, so it was kind of expensive, but I did my first passion twist and look how much I got left. It's not even that much, so it goes kind of quick depending on how much you use, and I use a nice amount. So yeah, and then I have my little rack here with all the crochet passion twist or the Freetress hair. But y'all, look at how nice and plump they are. There's a method to this, and y'all, please don't mind my acne. I'm working on it, y'all. It has gotten a lot better because my dermatologist put me on this skin stuff and it just wasn't working, but y'all don't care about that, so let me just go ahead and finish my hair. So I use about 8 packs of these. Again, your local hair store, or you can get it off of Amazon.com. This is just the Freetress braid, crochet and hook in 22 inches. So yes, these are all 22-inch passion twists. For each strand, I'll use 3, and I'll show you guys exactly how I do that in one moment. Sorry you guys, I have to use the camera because the mirror I have, I can't be that close. But yeah, so first thing I do, I take the strand of hair, and you see how it's so pointy? That's because I take my Shine and Jam Edge Control. I use the Shine and Jam on every single part in my head. Altogether, I would say, combining all the hours, this hairstyle probably took me 5, I want to say like maybe 5.5 hours, had I not had to keep on stopping. So I'll open the pack up. Passion twist is such a great protective hairstyle. Yes, it does not last that long. I would say at the most maybe 3 to 4 weeks. 4 weeks is like pushing it, but it's definitely possible. Just make sure you wrap your hair up, oil your scalp, and you can definitely manage to make it last that long. So at a month tops, I would say. Anything longer than that, it's just gonna be fuzzy looking. Bruh. Okay, so after I clip everything, I have all the hair here. I have my rack down here, so it's easy for me to grab. And then I'm just gonna begin to separate the hair from each other. The more gentle you are with the passion twist hair, the better the outcome will be of you pulling it apart and separating it. The hair, the curls are already separated. You just have to really be careful. That way, like, you see all that free hair that's about to like spread and that crazy. I'm not even about to mess with that because I don't want the issues. And I do 3 pieces of hair per twist. So I'm gonna show you guys. And don't do this part too fast, because if you do it too fast, you'll mess up the hair. Because you kind of want to leave the curls intact. I think it's just easier if you leave the curls intact. Try not to like mess them up too much, because like I said, it'll just be a lot easier. All right, so I'm then gonna go ahead and take my Shine and Jam and get a little bit. I gotta go like this because of my nails, but you know, just get you a little bit. And then you're just going to put it on the twist that you're about to do. And y'all, I do the braid method. So for people who don't like to braid the passion twist hair into their hair first, that's fine. You know, y'all can find videos where you just twist the hair in. But I'm just letting you know right now, don't expect your hairstyle to last over like 2 weeks, because I think that the twisting method, especially if you have really coarse hair like mine, it's not gonna last you that long. So I'm gonna take 3 pieces of my strands. Now I want to show you guys something, because this part can be very important, especially if you're cutting your passion twist at your shoulders to be like nice and plump and chunky, like a bob type of style. You're gonna take all 3 pieces of hair, and that loop where it's gathered at the top in the pack when you first take it out, you're gonna find that loop, and you're just gonna loop it over your finger. Okay, I found the loop, and then I'm just making sure that all the curls are going in the same direction, because that helps your passion twist come out nice and plump, especially if you're twisting it the right way. So now I'm gonna go through and separate the twists. You can start like at the ends and work your way up, just separating them. I wouldn't suggest starting up here and then going down, because you're gonna catch a knot. So you just go like this, and you're just separating the hair. It doesn't have to be crazy, like crazy fluffed out. All right, so now that I did that, it's nice and fluffed out. You're gonna start it like a braid. So if you know how to box braid, this will be easy for you. But if you don't know how to box braid, you might have to practice with it a little bit before you're like good with putting it in. First, you just tighten it. Okay, there we go. So you take the hair and you're starting it like a cornrow or like a braid, and you're just gonna wrap the hair around it as you would do a braid or a cornrow, using your hair as the third piece. And then I like to braid it down at least 3 or 4 times, again because it makes your hairstyle last longer. That way it doesn't pull right off, because I put all that jam on there. Okay, so now you can see that it's like a knot on there. It's like a braid. So then you're gonna bring it to one side. Now this part is the most important part. I cannot stress this out enough. If you want to have those nice plump, all go in the same direction twists, you're gonna want to make sure you're twisting the hair the right way. If you kind of want that not so neat look and you don't want them all to be like roped like this, then you can twist them any direction and it won't matter. Most likely the way that you're gonna be twisting is a way that feels uncomfortable. That's probably the right way to twist. Sometimes I honestly don't know. You'll know if you're twisting the right way, because by the time you get down to the end of the twist, if it looks like it's not like a nice rope twist after you let it loose, then you know you have to go back and retwist it. Now some people might say, oh, I don't want to go back and retwist it, that's too much work. Then you can leave them and have the messy look. But if you want them to look nice and like a rope, you're gonna go back and redo it. That's just like what it is. Once again, I'm taking my hair, putting jam. And it's a good idea to keep some jam on the back of your hand, because when you're twisting, it's a good place to reach and like add some. So again, we line it up, make sure all the curls is popping the right way, and which they are. So then we're gonna just spread them out, fluff them. I think it's about to stop filming in a second. So you guys, so now I'm gonna see what is the right way to twist it. Now sometime I'm thinking I'm twisting it the right way and then I'm not, then I gotta go back. So if I do mess up, I'm gonna keep the footage in here on purpose, just that way I can show you guys how it looks if you do mess it up. But I think I have the hang of the direction now. But even sometimes when I have the hang of the direction, it still be wrong. So we gonna see. So yeah, then you're just gonna start twisting it. Make sure the braid is still nice and tight. Sometimes you do have to go back and re-put the braid in if you're taking too long trying to do the braid and you're taking too long twisting. You gotta go back and put the braid in, because you pulling and pulling and pulling is making it get looser and looser until it just falls. I have a feeling that you can kind of see before you get all the way down to the bottom it's the right direction, depending on the way that it's twisting. So it looks like it's gonna twist okay, so I'm gonna keep going. And then I'll kind of just like dust off the end. That way it's like, you know, a nice little curl. But yeah, see? So it's nice and plump. And I do 2 at a time. I am done, ma'am. I am all done. The last thing I'm gonna do is put this on. Alright y'all, so in the last clip, I'm not even gonna hold y'all, my camera died. So I'm just here to close out the video. It is a couple days later. My hair is still holding up pretty good. The saying is with passion twist that the hairstyle won't really last no more than like 2 weeks, just because of how your natural hair is with the passion twist hair. It gets really messy really quick, but my hair normally holds up pretty good with passion twist. Like my last set of twists, I had them in for 2 weeks, and the only reason I took them out was because I got my hair done. But yeah, like I was saying, my hair is still in pretty good condition. I think personally my passion twist will last me like 2 to 3 weeks, or until I'm just tired of it, because this is a lot of hair, y'all. I haven't had this much hair like this on my head since I had my locks, so I feel like it's just a lot of hair. But yeah, this is how it looks. And this is the 22-inch passion twist hair like I showed you guys before. You guys, do not forget to check out my other videos. If you guys like this video and you want to see some more hair videos from me with protective styles and natural hair, I will try my best, so let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.